Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a silk wrap. So we're about to get into the video. You're going to need hot comb, heat protectant. You want to make sure you get the protectant, okay? They have a finishing spray. You want to get the protectant if you use this one, okay? So you're going to spray that all over your head. Yep, make sure you get in there. Get all up in there. Don't want no heat and heat. Okay, so here I'm going to go and I'm going to press my edges in my kitchen.
Usually I would go through my hair, I blow it pretty good just to my roots. Not that thick or not pretty straight. So I'm really just gonna hot comb, the back of my hair, my kitchen, my edges, and then yeah. That's really the only first thing to take to use the hot comb. And the rest I'm gonna go through my
Okay, so now I'm going in with my flat irons. These are my Babyliss flat irons, and I'm going at 410 degrees, okay? So just spray that heat protectant again. And now we're about to go in flat iron. Okay, so now here I'm going to just curl the ends a little bit. That's how I do my silk wraps, and that's how I get that, flowy, feathered look. You'll see at the end. Okay, so as I go in to curl my hair, I'm going to curl it away from my face. Okay, if that makes sense. So still, as you see, I'm just curling it away from my face. You see, this one was giving me some problems. I don't know what was going on. And same thing, you want to just run through it and then curl it away from your face, okay? Do y'all see them curls? Yes, bouncing, bouncing. Okay guys, so we're finally getting to the end of curling it all. So this still could have left it like that, but now I'm just gonna wrap my hair up, brush it all up, wrap it in a circle. I call this like a beehive, whatever. You just wrap it up. And yes, I'm putting saran wrap. Putting saran wrap on there, okay? You just want to wrap it all the way up. Make sure you get every hair. If you need to, get someone else, because this was hard for me. It's always hard when you're doing it on yourself. And I just use my nails to just cut it. And then boom. You're going to put your hair down in the dryer for 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so now the time is about to be up, and girl, that was hot. My ears is on fire. You can see they red. And just twist that off. Start to brush it out a little. Well, comb it. I use a wide tooth comb and comb it out. Fix my part back up, and then boom. Look at that. It's like feathered. Don't judge my part right there. I don't know why my camera kept moving. Y'all see that? Yes. Body. So pretty. If wear all your real hair, it's so pretty. Well, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of it. If you like this video, give it a like, comment. Bye guys.